Guys, I have the Arrma Big Rock. So this is our first Arrma, which is pretty cool. Normally we have Traxxas's, but this is an Arrma, which means I don't need this Traxxas hat. So let's check it out. So on the box it shows some features. It comes with the SLT3 Spectrum controller and a waterproof Spectrum SPM651 metal geared digital servo. And then for the ESC, it has the BLX100 waterproof. This could do 2S and 3S batteries. The motor is a Arrma 3660 3200 kV brushless motor, and it comes with a heatsink and a cooling fan. It doesn't come with batteries for the controller, a charger, or a battery for the car, so you're gonna have to get yourself those. Alright, let's open it up. Whoa. Oh my gosh. It's got some plastic on top of the body that I could just pull off. And there it is. That looks so cool. Oh my gosh. Okay. Here it comes. Wow. This looks so cool. And it, wow, yeah, this is pretty awesome. And it comes with a sticker in the back for the license plate that says Big Rock, which is a pretty cool feature. And here's a size comparison with the Slash, the Stampede, the Rustler, and the Bandit. Okay, and this box, bubble wrapped controller. There's our controller. So, about the controller. Right here you have the steering trim. The second knob is the throttle trim. The next one is the steering dual rate, so you can make the amount that you're steering just a little bit. Like if you go full steer on the controller, if it just turns a little bit. Or you could turn it all the way up and you could get full steer. So turning it around, you have the on button, and then you have the steering reverse, which you could switch around the steering, and then the throttle reverse, and then you have a throttle limiter. You could choose 50%, 75%, or 100% throttle. And it will require 4 AA batteries on the bottom. And here's a bag of stuff. Let's get that out. And here's 2 books, just to give you more information about the car. It's like a get started guide type of thing. And here's a bag of some stuff. This would be used to take off the wheel, and there's some more tools on it. I'm not sure what they would do yet. And it comes with some shock spacers, which you put onto the shocks to make it higher. And you have 2 Allen wrenches. So that's pretty much everything that comes in the box. So let's get into this car. So first of all, it has these straps on the body clips, so that when you take the body clips out, they're just hanging around on the body like that, so you won't lose your body clips as easily. And that's really nice to have on the car. There we go. Don't just bash, blast. Says that in the inside of the body. And it looks like it has some protective stickers around the body hole. So that's actually a very good thing. And this body seems like extremely, really tough. Like it feels a lot stronger than some other ones. There's the inside. We have the motor right here, ESC, servo right in front of the motor. There's the on and off switch right there on the ESC. Yeah, this is really, really nice. Most of the parts on this are plastic, which it's not a horrible thing. They bend. It's got like really big grippy tires. These should be really good. And the connector on here is an IC5 connector. It's really nice that both the motor and the ESC have fans on them. That should Hopefully it'll help with the overheating. A lot of the stuff in this car is very new to me. I'm not an expert on this stuff. I'm still learning about this car. But later on, as I learn about it, we'll be posting videos on this car. Show you more about it. So let's get to bashing. Alright, so I'm going to get the battery in. I have to have an adapter for this IC5 connector. There we go, it's plugged in. Oh wow, it's like a really long cord. And now we're going to turn on the controller. There's a button right there. And then red light is on. Press that. Oh yeah, you switch that. There's a switch under there. And it's on. Wow. There we go. It's on. Yeah, this is gonna go really well. Whoa. Just remember, I'm on a 2-cell battery, so this isn't at full speed. Whoa. Oh my god.
It sounds really smooth.
This is so cool.
Oh.
I keep crashing. So cool.
Ooh.
See how it gets up curves.
That was beautiful. It went up so easily. Oh my goodness.
It wasn't even there.
Yeah.
So guys, I really hope this video was helpful to you and I hope you enjoyed it. So after running it, the electronics are a little bit hot. I mean, it's hotter than I was expecting it to be with the fans and stuff, but I don't think it's a problem right now. And also, this does have a 2-year warranty, so that if any of the electronics break, you should be able to get them for free from Arrma. It was a little bit harder to control than I was expecting. I'm very used to other 2-wheel drive cars that are a lot easier to control. You know, I think that's just me. I don't think it's a problem with the car. So I obviously didn't say every single detail about this truck, but that's because I don't know everything about it. But I will be getting to know more about it later on. I will be doing lots of videos on this. And also, for some reason, whenever I hit a full throttle launch, it kind of just stopped, went a little bit, and then did the full throttle. I don't know why that is. I don't know if that's something that you could fix. If you guys know anything about that, leave it in the comments. And it also flipped over a lot. While I was driving earlier, I was mostly going full throttle because I was using a 2-cell battery on it. But I bet it would have a lot more power with 3-cell, and it'd get wheelies immediately, because it says it should get to up to 50 miles an hour. But I had a lot of fun driving this. This seems like an awesome truck to me. So make sure you guys subscribe to see more videos on it, and I'll see you in the next video.